Hello students, today we'll learn here 20 persons' name. These persons' name are known as naming words and also called as noun. So let us start now. Number 1, teacher. Teacher, teacher. Number 2, student. Student, student. Number 3, doctor. Doctor, doctor. Number 4, nurse. Nurse, nurse. Number 5, patient. Patient, patient. Number 6, driver. Driver, driver. Number 7, pilot. Pilot, pilot. Number 8, judge. Judge, judge. Number 9, lawyer. Lawyer, lawyer. Number 10, postman. Postman, postman. Number 11, policeman. Policeman, policeman. 12, fireman. Fireman, fireman. 13, barber. Barber, barber. Number 14, soldier. Soldier, soldier. Number 15, carpenter. Carpenter, carpenter. Number 16, painter. Painter, painter. Number 17, tailor. Tailor, tailor. Number 18, farmer. Farmer, farmer. 19, shopkeeper. Keeper, Keeper, shopkeeper. Number 20, sweeper. Sweeper, sweeper. So these are the 20 persons' name. Students, I hope you will be able to write the name of 20 persons now easily. If you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you, everybody.